How to screencast your OnePlus 12 or the 12R phone to a Samsung Smart TV. So if you have a Samsung TV, you want to make sure the screen is set to the no signal screen at the moment. Then now on your OnePlus 12, 12R, use the quick panel access and you're going to look for the screencast toggle. So you'll look for it. It's the one that has this right here. Okay, so long press it and it'll take you here. You're going to see this here. You need to enable location, agree and continue, or else it won't let you go through. Then you'll select all these, make sure they're turned on, and search for display devices. Tap right there. As you do that, this is going to happen and you're going to see the name of your Samsung TV appear here. When you tap on it, you'll see this here, and of course, start now. Give it a few seconds and pay attention to your Samsung TV display, okay? So you want to wait for that. You wait for this right here. So I got the 12R and you'll see that appear here. Use your remote control to select allow, and then you'll see the part that says connecting to OnePlus 12. Once all that has been said and done now, you will see it on your TV, and of course whatever's on your phone will be shown on your TV. Now there's this little top area section in the status bar where you can touch and hold or single tap it to get a view of all the other options that you can do, such as stopping the screencast. And of course, if you wanted to go into landscape mode, make sure your auto rotate is enabled on your phone so that if you go into any app and you turn it into landscape mode, it will also rotate onto the screen of your Samsung TV. And if this guide helped you in any way, like and sub. Don't forget to restart your phone if it doesn't work the first time.